see here, sir.
Maha.
What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Maha. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. On this channel we do a lot of Infinity, as you can see, Infinity 3.7 content, as well as on Mustang. We're currently at the shop getting work done, body and paint work done, so as soon as we get that back, we'll do some more content on that car. But with that being said, today we're gonna do a nice little another POV driving around. Y'all seem to like the POV driving around videos, hearing the exhaust, hearing the box fans and all that. So I'm gonna do a bit more driving with the plane map on, so y'all can hear it, upshift and downshift, and a couple pulls here and there. Might hop on the highway depending on how the traffic is, and just get more content out for y'all, man. I gotta keep this going. Today's Sunday, so just got out of the gym. Y'all saw a couple clips there, hitting a little ab workout and little chest workout with my dog. Like I said, y'all seem to like the fitness content as well, so I'm gonna be slowly adding that onto the channel. Not always about cars, man. You know, you gotta live your life. You gotta be a healthy lifestyle as well. So I do go to the gym. I'm a very heavy advocate for being healthy. So that being said, let's get this video rolling. Road finally opened up so I can get away from this slow person in front, and let's get it. And welcome to Florida, where rain just spawns whenever it feels like it. Hopefully I get into some runs, man, so I can see, so I can show you how these cars pull up. I don't really do run content like that, but I'm gonna hand it over to my test pilot, so if I do get into a run, he'll be able to handle it. And don't close in a rear-wheel drive car in the rain. It's not the smartest idea. I don't even need windshield wipers. I don't even need windshield wipers. See if I hit a U-turn here, get some holes. See, dry over here. Dry. Ground is dry over here. What is going on? They got a Q60, a Red Sport. Is that a Red? No, I think that's a Lux, and then a Camaro. They said they're gonna run it. That's why my light don't change before them. Oh, the Q took. Damn, what's a granny? That's a granny in the Q. and she gapped him. Yeah, that was loud. I know it annoyed some people with that one. Too much in the back of it. It's still a residential